most popular type of motorsports among the people is drag racing. And while it's true that competing in such a sport takes no skill other than to hold the steering wheel straight, I want to open up Jamaicans' eyes to a different type of racing, one that I haven't seen any references about on the internet. So basically, I can literally say I create my own type of racing. The name of this new type of racing is called Street Time Attack. But first, let's look at regular time attack. Time attack is a time test of a driver's ability to push their car to the limits on an unimpeded road course to achieve the fastest lap against other competitors. Now my version is the same, but on the street. Now why am I telling you about time attack? Well, because unlike drag racing in which there is no skill required, time attack winners are determined by who has the most concentration, skill, and car knowledge to push their car to its limits in order to reduce their time. Plus, anyone can easily get into the sport starting with the car they already have access to. I honestly feel like Jamaicans should start time attack because it would have really become popular on the island, as it would add some variety to the car scene and force other people to drive better to improve their time.